Virtual reality has become a stable technology in the last years. Many developers have shifted their focus to develop for VR, including games, productivity applications, and many more. VR games in general rely on controllers to interact with their applications. But many of the newer head-mounted displays coming to market feature eye-tracking capabilities. Something that most developers have overlooked is using eye-tracking technology to create novel interaction methods in virtual reality games. The aim of this project was to investigate whether eye-tracking technology could have an effect on the enjoyment of a game compared to traditional controller input. To get an answer to this question, a game needed to be made, and our team went to work on a game world and interaction method centered around eye-tracking. Introducing reGaze. Following a 3-step iterative process investigating the utility, usability, and desirability of eye-tracking as a means of controlling a VR game, 2 eye-tracking assisted input modalities were created: eye-tracking assisted travel and eye-tracking assisted telekinesis. After multiple tests and iterations of both the input modality and the game world itself, it evolved to what you can see here. You play as RA1, a reconnaissance android sent on a secret mission to Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter. You as a player must use your bionic eyes and hands to progress through the game and uncover the alien mysteries below the surface. The eyes of the player will be tracked and can dash to a desired location by just looking there and pressing a button. Furthermore, the player can use their eyes and their hands to move objects around in space. To test how this novel interaction method compares to controllers, 30 participants tested the final prototype and answered a game experience questionnaire. This test yielded some interesting results. Many categories of the game experience questionnaire showed similar results when eye tracking and controller input was compared, except the categories of moving around and challenge. To conclude, it is not feasible to answer if eye tracking changes the overall experience of a game by testing one game alone. Therefore, further research is recommended to explore where the strengths and weaknesses lie with eye tracking as a novel input in a VR game. It is clear, however, from observing the participants of the many tests is how fast selection and targeting is when using eye tracking, and shows real potential as a future input modality for VR.